Hey there, East Leyden students, faculty, and staff. It's your friendly librarian, Mrs. Geneva, here to tell you about a new reading challenge for winter break. It's called the Winter Reading Challenge via Beanstack. In this screencast, I'll show you how to enter the challenge and log your minutes. Top 10 student readers will receive prizes like Javachino bucks, keychains, stickers, and the top 3 readers will receive books of their choice. This challenge is also a nationwide challenge, so our school could win prizes like an author visit and free books from an outside vendor. Faculty and staff can also log their reading as part of this challenge and help us win the nationwide challenge. So, adults in the building, get reading and logging as well. I'm going to show you how. So, you're going to head to your favorite website and mine, Leyden212.org. Here we are right here. Okay, first thing you're going to do is click on academics right here. That's going to bring you to a pull down menu, and you're going to want to go to libraries. Okay, so head on over, click on libraries. You're going to scroll down just a little bit and you'll see on the right hand side right here, you're going to see East Beanstack. You're going to want to click on the logo right here. When you click on it, you'll be redirected to Clever. Okay, Clever is that portal that connects our outside apps and websites to Leyden. So you'll click Login with Clever, right like this, and it's going to bring you to yet another login page. I know it's a lot of login pages, but just bear with me. Once you do it, it does get easier. You're going to log in with Google. Okay, that way you don't have to put your information in. If you click Leyden Network account, that's okay, but it's much easier to use this one. Okay, if you do this one, you're going to be you got to do some typing. That's all you have to do. So when you click login with Google, you're already logged in. It will ask you which one. Okay, just click the one you want to log in with. Okay, now for me, I see this because I'm the administrator. Okay, but for you, you're going to be a reader space. Here's what yours is going to look like. I'm just going to go to my profile. Okay, it is going to look like this. You'll have some challenges that you're already participating in. That even if you didn't click on anything yet ever, I already had everybody put in these challenges, so basically they're easier to enter for you. You don't have to, it says you're already participating in them even if you clicked on them or you're not. Okay, so you have 3 challenges right here. Many of our students have been participating in this first challenge, Adventure Awaits. Okay, so this is the year-long. This one right here, a lot of people have been doing, and it's a good challenge. They've been logging their SSR minutes. That's great. Okay, the second challenge right here, A Books, the A Book Award. This challenge is for people that want specific prizes for reading our A Books. Okay, and the last challenge is the one we're going to talk about today is the Where We Come From, the Winter Reading Challenge. Okay, it does go all the way to January 31st. Please remember that. So all the way to January 31st. Now, what's interesting and really nice is if you read for the Winter Reading Challenge, okay, is going to go on to this challenge as well. Okay, so don't think like, oh, you're doing this challenge and now you don't get any adventure weights. No, if you read the minutes you read in that challenge, they also double and go into the other one. Same thing for the A Book Awards. If you read books in the A Book Awards, the minutes you log goes into adventure weights. So it's pretty nice. You'll get minutes for both of them. Okay, so the special events for this one, the Winter Reading Challenge, when you log in there, it's a much shorter goal. Okay, so the school year one is like 10,000 minutes. This one's only 300 minutes. So let's say you haven't started yet, 300 minutes. You guys, I mean, that's only 5 hours that we're asking for over break. It's not a ton, but it is something to have a short goal for. Okay, so when you click on it, here's what you'll see. Here, let me get the pen off. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll click on that. And when I go in there, you can see what it's about. All right, it'll tell you a little bit about what the challenge is about. It's really asking you to look about books that explore family, history, identity. Okay, and like it says, the top performing libraries in schools will win special prizes. Okay. As you scroll down, you'll see you get one badge already for just entering. So everybody has that badge because right when they click on it, they're going to get it. What's cool about these badges too is like they had some really cool artwork for them, and as you get them, you'll see the different artwork for them. I thought some of these badges are really well done. So let's say that we want to log some reading. Here's how you do it. You're going to click log reading and activities. Okay. When you do that, it's going to pull you. Yours is going to look a little different than mine because I have a roster. For teachers, it'll look like this. But for students, yours is basically going to look like this, log minutes. So you'll click log minutes. Okay, that's the one you want to do. And you'll select the date you read for. So let's say I read today. Okay, and I'll click that. For the title of the book, you can type your title in, which is totally fine. Or a lot of students and adults like to use the scanner because, I don't know, it brings them back to days of like groceries, going to the grocery store and scanning things when we thought that was fun. So you'll go to this. If you want to try that out, you scan the barcode. The barcode is the ISBN barcode at the bottom of the back of the book. Hey everybody, and it's right here. When you scan it and like that, you'll hear a beep and it'll populate it for you. Now on your Chromebooks is a little different than mine. Your camera is going to be at the bottom of it's like on your keyboard side. Okay, for some of you, we found that out when doing this class. So if I type in how long did I read this book, and by the way, In the Wildlight, it's a Lincoln book. It is an amazing, amazing book if you're looking for something great over break. Wonderful, wonderful story about identity, a journey about identity, friendship, loss, all this kind of stuff. So good. So let's say I spend 30 minutes reading this book. So I'll put 30 minutes. Did I finish the book? If I did, I just click this and you'll see what happens. It will it should toggle over to finished. Yes, would I like to include a review? I can click yes. Okay. There we go. That's how you finish it. Okay. If you'd like to include a review, you put yes. Since I didn't finish, I'll put no. Okay. And then I'm going to log my reading. Okay. What shows up right away is a badge. So I get this beautiful badge. And look at this as a train station. Read 30 minutes. There's my badge. And so it's logging the minutes for me. Okay. And you'll see overall badges, 30 of 300 minutes. I'm already there, right? Look at that green. It's helping me stay motivated. 10% done. There's my 2 badges. And then you can always look back at the other one too. Okay. You can always look back at your other challenge to see, okay, how am I doing now on adventure awaits for the whole school year? What are my minutes like there? And I've got 200 there. Okay. So those minutes also go to this one as well. Okay. When you after this, you can always keep logging, reading and activities. You can write reviews. Okay. You can check out some of these other tabs. A lot of students like the friends tab. You can add your friends if you like, and they can add you. All you have to do is invite friends, and then you can write your name on there. You can write your friend's name in there and invite them, and you guys can be sharing stories about books. That's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. Just remember the log reading activities is always at the left-hand top, right by our logo. And just don't forget to stop by the library for a break, pick up a book or two. Many of our Lincolns are now available. It was like they were sold out, right? The shelves were empty right after I did the original book talks, and now they're coming back. And our One Book, One Leyden, we've got some more copies in, free copies. You can take them and be ready for that author visit in February. Have a great rest of your day and a great break. If I don't see you, please look at the rest of this email where this is, because there's some great New York Times contests coming up for you guys to win if you get writing. And you can always send it to me if you need somebody to read it over. I'd be more than happy to. So keep on logging. Like I said, keep on reading, and have a great and restful and safe winter break. That's it. I'll see you soon.